Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the normal distribution calculations. We have seen one of the calculation in the previous video. If you have not seen that, I will leave the link in the description below. So let's get started with the calculation or the problem solution. So in a class of 60 students, the average height of a student is found to be 165 centimeter and the standard deviation is 25 centimeter. A student is selected at random. What is the probability that the height of that student is more than 172 centimeter? So this part we have solved. So coming to the next question, what is the probability that the height of the selected student is less than 160 centimeter? And we will also solve some of the problem like the height lying between 158 centimeter and 175 centimeter. Height is more than 150 centimeter and the height is less than 170 centimeter. So let's get into the problem. So the first part we have already discussed in the previous video. So this can be solved by calculating the set score. So set score can be calculated by subtracting the x value from the mean and divided by the standard deviation. So in this case, let x be the random variable. So the random variable value is 172. So it is 172 minus 165 is the mean divided by the standard deviation, that is 25. So solving for this, we will get the set score of 0.28. So the area for 0.28 can be calculated from the set table. The probability of set score being less than or equal to 0.28 is approximately 0.6103. So the probability that the height is being more than 172 centimeter is 1 minus 0.6103, that is 0.3897 or 38.97 centimeter. So you can see in this graph, actually we need the region which is highlighted in yellow. So the total area is 1. And we need to find the area highlighted in yellow. So we can subtract 1 minus the set score value, that is 0.6103. So that will give you a value of 0.389 or the probability of the student's height being more than 172 centimeter, and that is 38.97%. So we will get the probability from that. So basically we are calculating the probability from the area. Coming to the next question. So what is the probability that the randomly selected student has a height less than 160 centimeter? So similarly, we can solve this problem by calculating the set score. So set score will be 160 minus 165 divided by 25, that is the standard deviation. So that will correspond to a set score value of minus 0.2. So using the Z table, we can find the probability of set score being less than or equal to minus 0.2. That is approximately 42.07 or 0.4207. So that is the set value which we obtained from the table. As you can see in this graph, here we are interested in getting the highlighted area. So that is 42.07%. Coming to the next question, if a student is selected at random, what is the probability of the height lying between 158 centimeter and 175 centimeter? So similarly, let's calculate the set score for 158 centimeter. So that will give you a set score value of minus 0.28 and calculate the set score value for 175 centimeter similarly. So we will get a set score value of 0.4. Now let's calculate the probability of set score being less than or equal to 0.28. So from the set table we can get this value as 0.3897. And the probability of getting set score below 175 that corresponds to 0.4, and the approximate probability value is 0.66. So now we need to calculate the area between the highlighted region. So the highlighted region area we need to calculate. So let's subtract this from 0.6554 and 0.3897. That corresponds to 0.2657, that is a percentage value as 26.57. So which means that probability of student's height lying between 158 and 175 is 26.57. So coming to the next problem, what is the probability that the randomly selected student has a probability that height is more than 152 centimeter? So same way we can calculate this. So we need, in this case, we need to calculate the height more than 152. So by solving the set score, we get a value of minus 0.5. So we have to calculate the area highlighted here. So the probability of the student's height being more than 152 centimeter is actually subtracting that from the total area. So 1 minus 0.3015, that corresponds to a value of 0.6985 or 69.85%. And coming to the question number E, a student is selected at random. What is the probability that the height is less than 170 centimeter? So in this case, let's calculate the set score value. So solving for set score, we will get a value of 0.2 and the value from the set table, which will correspond to 0.5793, which is 57.93. I hope you are clear with this calculation part. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.